I hope that your weekend was a very, very good one. Now this week, as you all know, that our first subject for the morning is always mathematics. So this week in maths, we'll be focusing on odd or even numbers. Odd or even numbers. Now at the end of this lesson, you should be able to tell what are odd numbers and also what are even numbers. You should be able to identify odd numbers or even numbers. Now, can anyone tell me what are even numbers? Okay, what were you saying? When they are even, good try. When they are the same, okay. Now, when you hear the term even, what comes to your mind? Very good. When something is even, it is equal. So even numbers are any numbers that can share equally by 2. Equally by 2. Can anybody tell me any number that can share equally by 2? 1? Okay. If you have one object or one thing, can that be shared equally by 2? No. So that means 1 is not an even number. Anyone else need to try? 2. Very good. Now, you said 2. Can 2 be shared equally by 2? Very good. Can 3 be shared equally by 2? Okay. If you have 3 objects and you're going to share it equally by 2, what will happen? Can you get your 3 objects? Good. When you share your 3 objects by 2, what happened? One person got 2 and one person got 1. So if one person got 2 and one person got 1, is that shared equally by 2? Very good. No. So 3 is not an even number. Even numbers are numbers that can be shared equally by 2 without leaving any remainder or without any leaving over. Now, odd numbers are numbers that cannot, odd numbers are numbers that cannot be shared equally by 2. So if we have discovered that 2 is an even number and 3 is not an even number, can anybody tell me an example of an odd number? Very good, clap yourself. Wow, very good. 1 is an odd number because 1 cannot be shared equally by 2. Can you think of another number? Wow, you are so bright. Wow, 3, very good. Think of another number. 4. 4. So you are telling me that 4 cannot be shared equally by 2? Take out 4 objects for me and I want you to share it equally by 2. Can you do that? Very good. So once it can be shared equally by 2, it is not an odd number. An odd number cannot share equally by 2. So what I'm going to ask you to do, I am going to ask you to write the numerals from 1 to 20. From 1 to 20. And you are going to circle all the numbers that cannot, be shared equally by 2. After you're finished, I want you to write at the bottom if those numbers are called odd numbers or even numbers. Giving you about 5 minutes to do so.